Today we are going to be comparing which one of these trucks are going to be better off-road in the snow. And there's going to be a lot of vehicles getting stuck here. We got 3 other vehicles with us, but we're going to compare the 4th gen Tacoma versus the 3rd gen Tundra. Both of these have wheels, lift, 37-inch tires on both. The only real difference is this one is a Toyo MT tire and this one is a Toyo RT Trail. So this one is more off-road. This one is going to be aired down to 12 PSI, where this one is going to be around 14 PSI. So stay tuned for the entire video because it's going to be fun. Looks like it might be a little icy today. We got Leroy's 3rd gen Tundra, our 4th gen Tacoma, and then we got Keith's 3rd gen Tacoma and Peter's 3rd gen Tacoma. So found a little slick section, not anything hard, it's just a little bit steep and slick. So Keith just had to back up once, get enough momentum to get going, but he made it up, Leroy made it up. Now it's my turn. Oh yeah. Another pretty steep hill. Let's see if we can get up there. So to kind of reference how tall this drift is, got a little stick sticking out right there. That's the fence. So that's at least 4 feet. So pretty deep, maybe 3, but Leroy is just completely high centered. Huh? Other side? He's on 37-inch tires too, so they're not small. Look at that, up to the door. His entire rear diff is under snow. Get out of the way. Ready. Nice. Oh, Keith just went into the fence. Oh no. Good thing that Keith's truck is completely right aligned and already dented up, so not too worried about it. Attempt number 2. Come on, come on, come on, go, 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 go. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Nice. Don't let off. Don't let off. Keep going. Keep turning. Ah! So when I went this way, I was just like inching my way through by just going straight and just keep turning left, right, but not for Leroy. I think he's a little bit too heavy.
So we're out on the trail. Leroy has found himself in quite the little snow predicament here, and we have connected 4 different straps together.
Go, go, go. Nice. Don't stop, just keep turning, keep turning. Oh yeah. So this section here, if you are familiar with one of our old videos, this hill is the hill that a lot of people get stuck on just because it's so steep. You have to keep your momentum or else you're gonna get stuck. So I made it up with the 4th gen. Peter's up here with his 3rd gen on 33s. No problem at all. It's fresh snow, so it's not had time to pack down yet with the amount of people that's gone through here, so it's not super icy. All right, next up, let's see if we can all make it this time. It has never happened where everybody in the group has made it up with no issues. Here comes Leroy. Oop. Come on, keep going. Nice. Oh, nice. Sick. All right. 2 more. Next up. If Keith can make this, then we have officially broke our curse with this spot right here. But it's not that bad today. It's pretty deep, but not very slick. Yes, almost there. So I lied. There definitely is still ice underneath all of this. Whoa. Found that out because I almost fell a couple times already. It has come to a conclusion that the Tundra is too heavy for deep snow. Peter had to reverse to pull Leroy out of this spot once again. So amazing space, tons of power, but just too heavy for this kind of stuff. So there's also a couple other factors that are in play with this truck. So tire size, we are exactly the same, 37-inch tires. He has Toyo RT trails. I have the MTs, which are better for snow, mud, and all that good stuff, and probably PSI as well. I'm down to 12. I'm not exactly sure what he's at. Leroy, what PSI are you at? 14. Okay, so pretty similar. There's another big rock right there. So to cut tires out of the question, Peter in his 3rd gen Tacoma is on KO2s, and he hasn't gotten anywhere near stuck compared to Leroy. So once again, we are pulling the Tundra out of the deep snow. You can see next to the tire how deep the snow is, and he's buried, his skids are buried. So if he loses any momentum at all, he's done for. And for those who say the MTs are better in the snow, it is true. But I also have that on my red Tundra, which has the MTs. And when I take that off-road in comparison to the Tacoma, Tacoma's way better than the red Tundra even. So it's not a driver issue, it's not a tire issue. Pressure, I think simply it's just the Tundra is not, I don't know, it's just the power is there, but the weight is too heavy, I think. And Peter's having a hard time here pulling him out. So you're gonna need more momentum, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, go back.
I can't go back now.
You can't go back now. All right. I'll give you a push. Ready? Ready, go! You can't go forward either?
No, I think the strap is back out.
All right. Oh, man. All right, so here's what we're doing. Peter's stuck, he can't go backwards, can't go forward, because the rope that he's using, there's so much tension that he can't move. And he's just sliding around. So, good. We got the 4th gen in front, daisy chain to Peter's 3rd gen, and then to Leroy's.
All right, I'm ready. Leroy, are you ready?
Are we good?
We are good to go.
All right, here I go. All right, here we go again. Are we moving?
A little bit.
All right, here we go. Peter, maybe you should leave yours tight, and then I'll just try to pull both of you guys, okay?
Oh, okay, gotcha.
All right, here we go. Can you back up, and then maybe we'll take you off, and then I'll try to pull him.
Okay, copy.
Or maybe you can pull him now by yourself.
Let's give that a go.
Or if both of you can just accelerate at the same time, that might work.
All right, we'll try that one more time.
Okay, give me 1 second.
All right, I am ready whenever you are, Twan.
3, 2, 1. Ready?
In progress. Just do that a couple more times, and I think we're good.
Let me get back on the track.
Both of us.
that good?
That's good, that's good.
So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, which vehicle did better. Obviously, this one got stuck a little bit more just because of the weight. But if there's something that I'm missing in the video that I didn't mention, let us know in the comments so that way we can get into that as well. But that's going to be it. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys next time.